Hello my friends, here I bring you another video where I show you how I like cleaning the sink. The sink is within a commercial office, so it isn't as dirty as you guys can see. The sponge I use is made out of plastic. It doesn't scratch and I love to use it with Ajax. I spread it all around and I put a little bit of water and then I start to scrub. I love to make sure it stays really clean, and the Ajax helps remove brown stains because usually sinks in an office place use it to wash coffee jugs and therefore leaves brown coffee stains, and slowly, if not scrubbed, it starts to accumulate the color on top of the sink. So with the Ajax, since it has bleach, it helps whiten it up. While I am spreading it all around, scrubbing every inch I can, it's slowly working its way in removing anything that's stuck to it or stains accumulated on the sink. It's especially important to scrub inside. I here have many brushes that I love using. I use these and you can buy them in the dollar store. I always buy from the Dollar Tree since I don't use it for too long. I keep restocking new ones, so once they start looking overused or the brush has many of its endings in different places, it no longer works and so I have to throw it away and use a new one. It's important to brush and get every edge and corner since that's where all the dirt, soap, scum, and hard water gets accumulated. Corners and edges are very important. It is also especially important to rinse the Ajax as soon as possible because if not, a layer of Ajax will stay. If not rinsed and dried well the next morning or later that day, the customer will see the residue of the Ajax and then give you a call to complain about how the sink was not cleaned. It's important for you to wipe it down and dry it very well to keep your job maintained. With one day and one task that you did not do well, the hard water will start to accumulate, causing for more work for you to do on the next visit. It's always really good to do good and correct. Any questions, I will wait for them in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye. Hello, well here I will show you how we are going to remove the black marks or stains that the dishes leave on the sink. All these marks come to be because of the certain dishes that get moved around and make a mark. This sponge is to scrub on wood, so just give me a moment. So this sponge is to scrub on wood. I love to use it within the houses to clean. So here we have one side that has a hard surface and the other side is soft. We can use it from any side depending on how hard the lines are. Let's start with the hard side. So here you can see how it starts to come off. Don't think it will damage or cause additional marks on the sink. We are polishing it, and for that you have to scrub with a little force. As you can see the difference, without any chemicals or any additional material, just the basic black sponge, water and scrubbing with force. So you have to make sure to scrub very hard, pushing the sponge directly to the sink to remove as much as you can of the dark lines. No other method other than scrubbing with a certain black sponge is necessary. For any white sink such as this one that looks damaged or overused, we can definitely leave it again like new. This is fast, although other times when it has a lot of black marks, it can definitely be more difficult and more time spent on just that sink. But with this black sponge, we can remove it easily. And now you can check if there is any additional stains or marks you missed. But as you can see, it was removed. It's ready. Be very careful not to scrub on the drain strainer because if you use the black sponge on the sink drainer, it will affect the color it has and cause damage to it. But we don't want to do that, do we? So just the edges. If your sink has brown or stains surrounding the sink drainer, just use brushes. That's what we use. So you already know from my other videos. Can you see the soft water stains on the sink? I'm not sure if the camera can focus on it very well, but we are going to take them off with Ajax only. without water. Can you see them? Okay, well this is all we're going to do to remove the water stains. The soft water stains also accumulate on the sink's faucet, but for this part we are not going to use the sponge from this side, but from the other side, to prevent it from getting scratches. Are you able to see the soft water stains?
Que de por sí está feito, ¿verdad? Pero
for this case, it's not in that bad of a condition. If we do it from the other side of the sponge, it will leave marks on the sink's faucet. This one usually helps removing the soft water stains. I'm not sure if you can tell the difference. It's hard to show on camera.
I hope that the translating videos that I post for Limpieza con Carolina helps you in your house cleaning. She has a lot more tips, and I'll definitely be translating all her videos throughout this channel, because I know that there's a lot of people on the comment section that are asking for tips in English. They understand it, but not completely, and they would wish for it to be in English. So I decided to make videos just translating it to English. So if you want to see more, make sure to be updating yourself with my YouTube channel. Once a week on a Saturday, we'll be uploading new videos. Sure, leave a comment on the section below. I hope you have a great day. Bye.